Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my channel. Yes, I am up at the crack of dawn because the baby woke me up, so why not check out new coupons to print. I always print my coupons on swag bucks because I get points for every coupon that I print to go towards a free Christmas with gift cards. But anyways, I'm here to share with you guys new coupons to print. Now, they did add a bunch of them, so let's dig in. They did add a ton of Canada Dry. There's some down at the bottom of the page, so I'll show you guys that when I get to it. But other than that, there is a bunch of new ones, and they usually put them right in the middle. So we're just gonna dig down. So here I always tell you guys to print off the Colgate coupons. Even though we do have coupons, I always say print them off anyways because they usually last a little bit longer and they're great deals. Here we have a $3 off Aveeno lotion. Definitely printing that off. Schwarzkopf, this says hair product, so there's the $3 off coupon for that. We have a $1 off Chic Hydro Silk. We have a $4 off Aveeno facial moisturizer cream serum, $4 off. We have a $2 off Aveeno hair care product, so we're gonna print that off. Here we got Aveeno shave gel, $1 off. I'm gonna print that off because sometimes there's some hidden deals going on with that. Body Armor sports drink, a $2 off facial cleaner or cleanser peel off, $2 off baby, got to be, here's $1.50 off Excedrin, $3 off summer sun care. Here's a $4 off Chic. Sorry, I actually got sleep last night. I got 5 solid hours of sleep. I'm just going to keep going down and see if there's anything else, but there's a lot of Aveeno's. Now also check your guys' Walgreens app. They had a ton of makeup coupons, Revlon, Almay, ton of coupons, so make sure you guys click that to your Walgreens app. And then here they have a ton of Canada Dry, 75 cents off of 2, 75 cents, 75 cents, 75, 75. And then they also added the Butterfinger Baby Ruth, so I'm printing that off. I printed that off the other day. Pioneer Woman, I'm going to print that again. Sorry for yawning. And that is it. And these are still the coupons that are still available to use if you guys haven't printed those off already. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.